Okay, guys, I am back. So these are just a couple tools you're going to need to complete this job. Phillips head screwdriver. I got two nut drivers. One's, I think this is a 5, yep, right there, 5/16. And this is, I believe, a 9 millimeter. I don't remember which one, so I got both of them. And you can either use a flathead screwdriver or you can use a pry bar like this. I got one here, and I got this one here. And first thing you want to do, oh, and I got some white lithium grease too. Or DW4, like I said, either or, it doesn't matter. I just happen to have this on hand from previous time I was using it. So you take this little wet filter apart like that. It's going to be clean. Take that, throw it over there. Get that out of the way. Then you want to take these apart. Like that. Oh, boy. So one there. Right, we're gonna move these out of the way. We gotta unplug it. We don't want to have electrocute myself here. Set these tools out of the way. Right. We'll go right over here. Unplug it, just like that. Okay, and this baby should pop right up. There we go. Look at that. Pop that right up. Let me back up. I'll give you a full shot here. Oop. Yep. And that just pops right up like that. And then you have, should be about right down here. One right there. You take this off too. This whole thing's gonna fall. That there. Actually, these aren't bad. A little clip. Hold on. Okay, pop that off. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna pause this and take that off. It's hard one-handed. All right, so I just popped this off. This wasn't hard. I just had to pop it a little bit. It came off. And I'm going to take that one off and that one down there. And then this clip already fell out. I got to put that back in. And there's another clip over on the other side over here, all the way down there. You just got to take the pry bar and kind of pry them out. Look at the 10. I got it up here. Where's my 10 right there? There's my 10 right there. Okay. All right. Now we just... No, it's not 10. See, I couldn't even remember what size it was. Maybe 5/16. Better here. Yep. 5/16. 5/16. So... Careful, this drum's going to fall out too, so you want to make sure you be ready to, maybe a couple more turns. You make sure you want to be ready to catch that when that comes out. This thing's going to flow right. It should be good enough to turn off. That side just popped. All right. Okay. Ooh, you almost got away from me. Almost got away. That up there. I don't want that going anywhere. We're going to do this side. Wow. All right, my finger got in the way. I'm just trying to switch hands here. Okay, there we are. that. More turns. These are actually pretty handy, these nut drivers, especially when you're in tight spots. There we go. Look at that. Just take that bad boy out. Come on. There we go. Okay, put this there. Okay, and then this thing will just kind of walk its way out. Already see I got clothes in there, but I will show you. This bad boy off to the side. Okay guys, so I got it apart now, so now I'll show you where the two wheels are. So apologize for the camera angles, it's tough here. And one man band over here. Okay, so there's one, I could see it, I don't know if you could see it. I'll move my finger out of the way. Right there. Right there. That one right there, you got sprayed with DW. And there's another one right there. This damn drum. There's one right there, you got sprayed with DW40. And this thing was messier before, but I vacuumed it out already. So, and that's it, guys. Just that one there and that one way down there. Them are the only two you got to spray, and then you just put it back together. And that's all there is to it. Alright guys, like, subscribe, give me a high five, give me a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back real quick again. I just want to show you real quick. See, I just sprayed it, and I sprayed that one down there with some white lithium grease. Remember the two wheels I was talking about? Just wanted to show you quick here what I did before I let you go. Okay. Now, see you guys on the flip side. Bye.